Hey everyone, Ryan with Giant Loop. I'm here today showing you one of our #1 products, one of the products we are best known for, our handlebar bag. So our handlebar bag is truly the only handlebar bag on the market designed for dual sports, dirt bikes, adventure bikes. And I'm going to show you why it's one of our #1 products, why it's our best seller, why every bike should have one. It's a no-brainer. So I have our old 98 XR600. It has a crossbar here. As you see, in the handlebar bag, I have snack bar, my phone, let's see, wallet, keys, registration. So all that stuff is in the handlebar bag. All in there, quick access to grab. Instead of having stuff in your back, having it on a vest or in pockets, you can just stop, pull your phone out, pull keys, wallet. It is the glove box for your bike. So it works with bikes that have crossbars. This one's been on here for a year or two, as you can see. It's old and dusty, but we like to ride bikes. I'm going to show you on the snow bike, which is a 500 EXC, and we have it with our tank bag. So as you can see here, tank bag's all the way forward. You can still get full lock. I mean, it'll rub a little bit, but you get full lock. You're not losing out. You're really maximizing space. So this doesn't have crossbars. I have USB chargers, GPS. It goes over the bar. You can open it up. So we tell people if you really want to maximize it, you just loosen these a bit, shove all your gear in there, and then as soon as you've closed everything up, you secure it, zip it closed. You can go on the new European bikes, you can go over the throttle cables, or you can go on the other side. I've used them both ways and it doesn't affect it at full lock. So yeah, it's just a glove box for your bike. Every bike should have one. We're the only ones doing it. We've been doing it for years. We are strong believers in taking the weight off your body, putting it on your bike. Let's see if you got a screwdriver. So everything you need right there. It's a great first Giant Leap product. It's our starter product, and then you can expand from there. So thanks for watching, and get yourself a handlebar bag.